Here's the anti-gravity room.
But didn't Royal Pain seal off every route?
Hey, what about this conduit?
Yeah, right. You'd have to be like a rat to fit in there.
Oh, great.
This is so stupid.
Okay, you're doing great, Magenta. Looks great.
Look at those cute little legs.
Okay, go about 10 feet. Yeah, there should be an opening on your right.
Gotcha.
Find the access
Find the
panel.
access panel.
What?
Leads to the generator.
Least right to the generator.
I'm on it.
Prepare to die. And there goes your last chance of stopping me.
We'll see about that.
Surprise! So am I.
You're flying? That's impossible!
There's only one person authorized to transport superheroes. And that's Ron Wilson, bus driver. And I'm Ron Wilson, bus driver.
I found the generator, I think.
And all she has to do is chew the wire to the scramble.
Okay, just cut the wire connected to the scramble.
What?
Cut the red wire.
There's a lot of red wires down here.
All unpacked, and the movers didn't break a thing. Told you we didn't need that extra insurance.
No, I know.
That could have been messy.
Hey, thanks, guys.
Well,
that was
good
a
night.
close one.
Chester? Chester? Now what?
It's me.
Perhaps I can be of assistance. It should only take me a couple of hours to reconfigure the pacifier. Mr. Peace, would you please carry me to the Mad Science Lab?
Sure.
And Mr. Peace,
Yeah.
regrettably, I have made Boom Boom.